Friends, before we begin today's amazing coin story, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF right now. On this channel, we uncover hidden treasures in everyday coins and share stories that many collectors never hear. Hit subscribe and stay with us, because today's coin might surprise you more than you expect. Now let's talk about a coin that almost every American has seen at least once in their life, the 1965 Washington quarter. At first glance, it looks simple and ordinary. Many people have spent it without giving it a second thought. But behind this small silver-colored coin is a powerful story of history, change, and hidden value that still excites collectors today. The year 1965 was a turning point for American coins. Before this year, quarters were made with real silver. But rising silver prices forced the U.S. Mint to switch to a new metal mixture. That makes 1965 a very special year. It marks the beginning of a new era in American money. Millions of quarters were produced, but not all of them were the same. Some 1965 quarters were struck with mistakes. Others were made using special processes that made them sharper, shinier, and more detailed. These small differences are what collectors look for. A tiny mark, a stronger design, or a smooth edge can turn a normal coin into something very rare. When you look closely at the front of the coin, you see George Washington's strong profile. His hair details, the sharpness of his face, and the clear letters all matter. On the back, the eagle with outstretched wings represents strength and freedom. If these details appear extra bold and clean, the coin could be worth much more than face value. One of the biggest things collectors search for is condition. A quarter that has never been used, with no scratches and no wear, can be extremely valuable. These are called uncirculated coins. They often shine like they were just made yesterday. Finding one after all these years is very rare. Another exciting factor is errors. Some 1965 quarters were struck off-center. Some have doubled letters, where the words look like they were printed twice. Others may have missing details or unusual metal mixtures. These mistakes happened during the minting process and were never meant to leave the factory. But when they did, they became collector dreams. Imagine holding a coin in your hand that could pay for a car, a house, or even more. That's why people across America still check their pocket change. They search through old jars, drawers, and coin collections passed down by grandparents. The 1965 Washington quarter is not just money. It's a piece of American history. It tells the story of a nation changing its currency system. It reminds us of the era when silver coins were disappearing and modern coins were taking over. Many older collectors, especially those who lived through the 1960s, feel a special connection to this coin. They remember using it to buy candy, newspapers, or a soda. Now, decades later, that same coin could be worth thousands if it has the right features. Some people have found rare 1965 quarters at flea markets for a few cents and later sold them for huge profits. Others discovered them in old family collections without even knowing what they had. That's why learning about coins is so important. The more you know, the better your chances of spotting something special. Next time you see a quarter dated 1965, don't ignore it. Take a closer look. Check the edges, the shine, the details, and the overall condition. You might be holding something far more valuable than you think. Collectors all over the world are still searching for the best examples of this coin. Auctions have seen incredible prices for rare versions, especially those with errors or perfect condition. This small coin proves something very powerful. Even the most ordinary objects can hold extraordinary value. And now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. Some rare versions of the 1965 Washington quarter have been valued as high as $12028. Yes, you heard that right. A simple quarter that once bought a piece of candy could today be worth over $12,000. Keep searching, keep learning, and stay connected with CoinZF, because you never know when the next treasure will appear in your pocket. If you enjoyed this story and want to discover more valuable coins, make sure you're subscribed to CoinZF. More amazing coin secrets are coming very